Okay, so I'm back up here where the timer is, and it's flashing 7 more minutes on this station. So I'm going to turn that off by pressing that, and it goes to station 6, and it's flashing 14. And I'm going to press this again and shut everything off because I don't want the ones in front going off right now. We're going to check those after a while because I think there's one that doesn't have an end on it. But okay, so I've got this shut back off, and it's showing Thursday at 2:50 p.m. I never touched this dial here. This is just my manual operation right here. I don't have to press the on off, the AB. This AB, they have 2 different sequences, and I'm not quite sure why they do that. I may have to look at that later. It might be so that A is the first station that gets shut on at 8 o'clock in the morning. B might be if you want it turned on that night. Let's say, I'll have to check that later, but this video isn't about how to adjust your sprinkler system or anything like that, okay? So now I'm gonna go back. I've got everything shut off. I'm gonna check that stuff. And here's a tip for you. I'm going out into the backyard using my side garage door. And for added security, if you want, you go ahead and lock your door. Right now, there's nobody home. Mommy's not here. And I'm in the backyard, and it would be very simple for somebody to come in here, come through my side door, go and rummage around in my stuff, or hide in a closet or something. Or if it's at night or late afternoon, I'm out there and Mommy's inside, somebody could come in, I might not even know it. So I always try to keep a habit of locking my side door. Okay, there's a tip for you. Now, did I know about this leak before I started running this video? Nope, I sure didn't. Glad I'm making this video, else I never would have known. I always like to do my videos unplanned, so to speak, so that you see what I see. Okay. I could have started digging this out before I shut the water off. Could have, but I decided not to. Okay. This is probably less muddy. Get it shut off. And as I dig, I'll have to be careful. Look at that. Oh. Boy, that is one big rock. I've got a long flat bar in the garage, but didn't know I was gonna need it, per se. And see, if you're a landscape maintenance guy, if you have one, if you fix it, he may charge you for this. Somebody's got to dig it up. Why not you and save yourself a few dollars, right? Good grief, Charlie Brown. Whoa. All right. Careful here. I may want to go back and turn the water back on. I kind of have a feeling it's still that way though. And of course, these big rocks, I'm going to save them for landscaping. I'm gonna have to go turn the water back on here so I can determine where this is coming from. You see, here's my water line, the big one. See, right there. I'm not quite sure what the deal is going on there, because it was like the water was going from here down that way, and it should be leaking off that line. Okay, more investigation is needed. Be right back. Turn the water back on. Okay, I've turned it back on. Haven't seen anything yet. You might be asking yourself, hey Joe, did you actually go up there and unlock your side garage door, go in there, turn the water on, and then come out and lock your side door again? Yes, I did. I practice what I preach. I'm not quite sure what the deal is. There's that. Now see, it's like coming right there. Must have overdug. I don't want to get muddy. Look at all that mud. Yeah, it's right in here. Oh, joy. All right, run back and shut it back off. It's right there. I dug too far. I thought it was coming from over there, but it's right down in there. Okay. Looked to be right about here. Well, I sure guessed that one wrong, didn't I? How deep that is. I gotta build myself a dam over here. You see that glob of roots that I pulled up? There must have been a plant here. They took it out and either forgot to cap it off or something. Joy. I thought this was going to be an easy fix right here. I still don't see any sign of any water pipes. what happens when you try to find stuff with the water still on.